Remote jobs you can get after learning these free online courses. And this is your opportunity, not in 5 years, not someday, but right now, to step into a world where your work fits around your life, instead of your life being squeezed into the rigid 9 to 5. If you find yourself spending hours on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, analyzing trends, watching how brands connect with people, and crafting creative captions in your head, then why not turn that natural instinct into a remote career that pays you well for your digital creativity? This course alone can land you roles like social media manager, content strategist, or brand coordinator, all of which you can do from anywhere in the world. If you're organized, dependable, and great at managing tasks and communication, becoming a virtual assistant could be the fastest, most flexible way to break into the world of remote work, with no technical background required. Free resources like ALX virtual assistant training or even comprehensive tutorials on YouTube can equip you with everything from managing calendars and emails to client communication and data handling. Real business tools that are in high demand. And the best part? You can start earning as a virtual assistant within weeks, not months, working part-time or full-time with clients from any corner of the globe. With Canva Design School or Adobe's free beginner tutorials, you'll learn how to create logos, ad creatives, infographics, and stunning social media content. The kind of visuals businesses need daily. Once you've mastered the basics, you can offer your services on freelance platforms, work remotely with startups, or even build your own brand as a design creator. If you've ever been told you have a way with words or you enjoy explaining things clearly and creatively, freelance writing might just be the remote path meant for you. Courses like Writing for the Web by OpenLearn or HubSpot's copywriting lessons are goldmines for learning how to write content that connects, sells, and informs. Whether it's blogs, ads, scripts, or emails, your words can become your income, your voice can reach global brands, and your writing can build a location-independent life. Websites are the storefronts of the digital age, and whether you love coding or prefer drag-and-drop tools, you can be the builder behind them. These skills can lead to freelance work, agency jobs, or even your own remote web design business. Every business wants more leads, more sales, and more visibility, and digital marketing is the engine that makes that happen. If you can learn how to drive traffic, analyze data, and manage ads, the demand for your skills will never run dry. Google's Digital Garage offers a full Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course for free, and it's packed with practical job-ready skills. From SEO to social ads, this is one of the most powerful remote career paths, and all it takes is a few focused hours per week to start mastering it. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing humans. It's empowering the ones who learn to use it. That's why roles like prompt engineer or AI content specialist are exploding in 2025. Take the free Prompt Engineering for Everyone course by deeplearning.ai on Coursera, and you'll discover how to work with ChatGPT and other AI tools to create content, code, images, and business ideas faster than ever. Companies want people who can communicate with AI, and this is your chance to be one of them. Let's make this simple. Here's where to find these high-value, zero-cost courses and tutorials to jumpstart your remote career. Here's the thing. You don't need permission. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to take one bold step forward. Because behind that one free course could be your first remote job, your first client, your first paycheck from a beach in Bali, or your living room couch. This isn't just about online learning. It's about freedom, about designing your future, and proving to yourself that yes, you can build a career on your own terms. If you're serious about ditching the 9 to 5, working from anywhere, and learning the skills the future demands, now's the time to start. Hit like, subscribe for more career-changing content, and comment below. Which course are you starting today? Let's make your remote dream a reality together.